Hello everyone, today we will be creating this two-sided form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is what we will be creating in this video, and don't forget to get the source code, link will be in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, I'm going to create a sort of keys here, and I'm going to have a div. Inside the div, we're going to have a lot of form, and we're going to have a lot of inputs, text inputs. On another one, and that's all. And we are going to link our JavaScript script. We're going to have script source app.js. Okay, so that's here, and link CSS. Okay, so it's done here. Now let's get started with this CSS. Exclamation tag. We're going to have a margin 0, padding of 0, and border sizing border box. And we're going to have a form, enter, display flex direction is going to be column, align items center, padding items 20 pixels, border 1 pixel solid dash, border radius 10 pixels, that's it, and a box shadow, then done. Now we are going to have inputs. So for the inputs, we are going to have a selector, enter, width of 100, height of padding of 10, margin of 20, bottom, and border of 1 pixel solid, color ash, and border radius 5. Next, we are going to start with the div. Display justify content is going to be not align center, it's going to be space between, because we need the spaces between our form. Margin bottom 20 pixels, done. Now we are going to a button padding of 10 by 20, border of none, box radius. And guys, one thing, border radius, we have to have border, right? So border I'm going to give solid, so 3 pixels enough. Okay, now we're going to off-white cursor pointer, and we're going to give a hover to that. So we're going to have button, guys, button of hover, background color, we're going to change the background color, and text color. Going to change white. This color is going to be purple, kind of this pink right here, this one right here, and this is going to be transparent. Okay. Yeah, but text is going to be black. So CSS is done. Let's get started with the JavaScript. JavaScript, we're going to have consist equals document, get element by ID, enter, alert function, it's all here. Equal and consist we have email, password, username, number. Yeah, that's all here. This is it for JavaScript. We have done CSS, we have done HTML. Let's see the final outcome of it. I hope you guys are excited for it. Okay guys, we have done it. We have HTML, we have CSS, and let's see the final outcome. I hope you guys are excited, and don't forget to get the source code. Link will be in the description in my GitHub, and like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Nice. Okay guys, as you can see, we have a login page with the hover, the color change and click, and nice. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and then I'll see you in the next. Peace.